Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. You must be an admin or have partner permissions in the business manager you want to check. Once logged into your personal Facebook, go directly to Business. Facebook. Calm and pick the correct business manager from the left menu. Make sure you're not in a different account or page view, otherwise you'll see the wrong dashboard. If you can't find it, use the Switch Accounts option at the top right to cycle through active business managers until the intended one appears. Once inside the chosen business manager, navigate to Settings or Business Settings in the sidebar. That's where details live. Then select Business Info from the menu. Sometimes it's nested in Account Settings, so scroll down if you don't see it immediately. You'll find the Business Manager ID as a 15-digit number near the business name and address fields. Note it exactly, because you'll paste this ID into Add Tools, API requests, or partner forms. If you need to copy, use the copy icon when available. To finish, verify the ID by checking Ads Manager account settings or using the partner section to see assigned ID. This ensures consistency across tools. Once done, copy the ID into the form or tool that requires it and confirm permissions are effective. If you don't see an ID, it usually means you lack admin rights or the business hasn't been properly set up. Request admin status or ask the owner to share the ID. Tip: if pages don't load, clear cache or use an incognito window to rule out session conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.